Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 19, which is remove nth node from the end of the linked list. So this is one of the most common linked list questions that test your understanding of pointers and traversal logics. So let's understand the question first. The problem says that you are given the head of a single linked list. You need to remove the nth node from the end of the list and return the updated list. For example, if the list is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and is equals to 2, then the second node from the end is 4. After removing it, the final list becomes 1, 2, 3, and 5. So in this question, we have to remove the last second nth term from the linked list. So the approach we are going to use here is two-pointer approach. We are going to take two pointers, fast and slow. First, we move the fast pointer n steps ahead. Then we move both fast and slow one step at a time. When fast reaches the end, the slow pointer will be just before the node we want to delete. Okay. Then we simply skip the node we want to delete by updating the link. To handle the class, here we need to remove the first node. We use the dummy node at the start of the list, a common trick to simplify edge cases. So let's write the code first and then we'll understand all the steps in detail. First of all, let's create the dummy node. Then we will point dummies next to the head. And then we are going to create two pointers. We are writing this step to move fast pointer n plus steps ahead, okay? And here fast would be so the fast pointer will keep traveling until the condition is not satisfied. It will keep traversing until the loop complete is. And then we are going to apply a while loop. Here we will traverse both slow and fast pointer. So in this way, we have traversed both the slow and fast pointer, and fast is one step ahead from the slow pointer, and slow is just one step behind the point node we want to delete. And now we are going to delete the node. And now we are going to return the dummy next. Let's return the whole list and check it out. Okay, I had to create a new link. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's correct. So let's try run it. Um, First of all, let's check the example. The linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the result should be 1, 2, 3, and 5. So after moving fast, 1 n plus 1 steps, which is 3, right? Because n is 2 here, so n plus 1 is 3. So the fast would be at the third step. We have to move fast 3 steps, and then fast points to the fourth node, and then slow will is still at dummy. And now both the pointers move one by one. Fast is equal to 5 and slow is equal to 1. And then when fast is null, slow is at 3. At this point, slow's next is the fourth node, the target. So we'll simply skip the next node, which is we have to use it to delete the node. And that's how we solve question number 19, which is remove the nth node from the end of the list.